Careful ha.
May nagcamping sa loob ng bahay.
Careful ha.
Hindi makapag-stay sa kusina dahil sa sobrang lamig. Dalhin nila sa loob ng bahay yung pang-grill. At may grill na mais. Mais kayo dyan. Grilled corn kayo dyan. Grilled corn.
Nice.
Kahapon pa ganyan ang ginawa nila. Kahapon ng hapon nung galing kami sa birthday. Dahil sa sobrang lamig nga, yan. Ayaw gumamit niya siya ng heater.
Doing na lang this. Yes.
Kuryente daw. Mahal sa kuryente, sabi niya. Kaya iyan, sige, magtiyaga sa charcoal.
Wait, I will get more charcoal ha. And
Pero okay naman yung charcoal na yan, guys, kasi pang grill talaga. Hindi siya yung nakakaano. Di ba may charcoal na nakakasuffocate kasi? Hindi naman yan yung ano gamit. Kaya okay lang. Kasi pang barbecue talaga yung charcoal na yan. Mga 3 itlog. Nagcamping.
No, this one.
Oh. Diba? Galing. Sa loob ng bahay. Bahala. Siya maglinis ng kalat mamaya.
Dito na.
Nakikipay-pay si Tuntun.
Yeah.
Ang Baratpur nag-declare sila na walang pasok ngayon. Although exam ng mga bata, inano daw nila, minog. Pero dito sa amin, kay Rahani at sa Karatnanagar, hindi. Tuloy ang exam ngayon hanggang sa 5. Kahit sina Julie may pasok. Bali, Baratpur lang ang wala. And ayun, Happy New Year everyone! Say Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Wala kaming handa guys kasi busy kami mag-review sa exam ni Asher. At saka wala na rin akong planong maghanda kasi nga yung exam niya, re-review kami. Pero Happy New Year everyone! Ayan pala yung handa natin. Yan pala yung handa natin, mais. Mais sa New Year. Mais kayo dyan. Ayan guys, may isa nang naluto. Tikman natin. Ha, ang init! Mainit! Mainit! Hindi kaya! Wait lang baby, hot anak ko ay. Masarap, matamis, bata pa siya oh. Hindi siya yun matigas. Mapulog pa.
What are you doing?
Wow. You will burn your skin, Asher. Sige lang. Mangyalam ka dyan. Sige. Init.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2.
Nakakapaso ng gilagid. Pero masarap. Say hi guys. Ano? Hi guys. You are grilling corn. You said.
For helping me. If it weren't for you, I would have lost all
That's
this.
not problem.
The top 20. That means we're on to the next game without any problems. Really? That game was exhausting. My legs are shaking and I feel like I can't move anymore, but it was worth it because that big baby's looking at me funny. I don't know him, but I get a bad vibe. I don't think he's part of the team. Ted just told me that the baby's name is Brutus and that he's a spy for the guards because he saw him talking to them in the
Your
back
corn
room,
is
so
burned.
he's overconfident. 1, 2, 3, QC. I need to stay strong for the next game. I'm gonna do 100 push-ups right now. Who's up for it? No one.
Oh my God.
The Brutus
For
goes next to
150.
Kimberly on purpose. I have to keep a close eye on him. I won't let him. This only feels different and scarier. I think the next game is gonna be the hardest of all. Brace yourselves. I'm going first, and that's bad because I won't know which panels are safe.
But at least Kimberly is learning by watching my jumps.
You go sit there next to Papa na ah.
What kind of Superman is this?
The others. I chose right. The right panel is safe. Now I have to choose between
Oh, be careful ha. You will burn. You will burn your skin.
I almost didn't make it. That last jump was pure luck, but I made it to the other side. Now it's Kimberly's turn. Oh my gosh.
Amber told me thank you because I marked the safe path and that it was easier for her because she just copied all my jumps exactly without any problems in it.
Jacob figured out the trick. He says the real panel is most likely to protect your face. You look closely and you see little marks on
Sarap
the glass.
guys. Sarap. Ang tamis.
And they jump at the same time. The weight is distributed and the panels hold up better.
So, ayan guys. Bumili kami ng baboy. At ito ay i-grill natin. Mag-iihaw tayo na magbabarbecue tayo. Yan yung handa natin ngayong New Year. Tapos gagawa si Asis ng tomato at char. Na pinakasawsawan niya. May sinamak naman ako dyan. Kaya ko mamaya sa suka. Isaw-saw ang barbecue. So, yan. So, huhugasan lang. Yes, we will marinate. Papa will do it.
You said you were...
We will grill. Yes, we will grill in the kitchen. Don't worry. Excited na si Asher. Kasi sabi ko kasi doon tayo sa kitchen. Sabi ko kasi mag-iihaw tayo. Habang nag-iihaw, kakain na rin kami. Sabi ko sa kanya para isahan na. Kaya yan. Excited. Kasi kanina, di ba nag-ihaw sila ng mais dito sa loob ng bahay. Hi guys. So, ayan. Nag-start na kaming mag-barbecue. Ay, mag-barbecue nga. Ayan. Pero kaya pa itong ang aking mobile na medyo mataas. May marshmallow kami. Kaso lang, maano nga kasi siya. Susunog ba? Masarap yung lasang sunog. Na marshmallow. Tutog si Asis. Ayaw umayos itong ayaw umayos itong sausage. Dapat gumanyan siya. Umabi. Ay, magalaw. Yun. Yung gitna natin. Ikot-ikot. Wow! Saan ko kaya pwedeng ilagay ito na mataas? Ayan, ganyan.
Then how can I do like this? It would go
Ito,
my
ito.
hand also.
Yan. Ah? Like that, it's okay.
It's burning.
No, be careful up. Look, it's not burning.
It's hurting?
Hindi, yes, toothpick do like this. Wala tayong pang brush kapag ano? Ayan na. Look, Papa, dami.
It burned my hand. Ah,
Ako sinat
I
din.
can see it. Ah,
Inatag ko yung carpet
my
para hindi naman
eyes. Because of the fire.
paarte naman.
How can I do this? Like this? Oh, it burned a little.
Ito naman side na to.
See it? The burn?
Yes.
Di, nasunog yung isang nasunog.
That is why I said.
Yung sausage.
No.
No, not yet cook the other side. Not like that, baby. Oy, don't. Not near the...
Really hard to put it here.
Look. They can see.
They can see it, छोड़ो.
What's the other side? They need to melt. Mommy, if you put the marshmallow in fire, if you put too long, it will melt.
It will melt. Siyempre. Sugar yan eh. That's sugar.
Because inside he's jelly. That's why he's look like this, like cotton candy, yeah?
Yeah. Hindi na masyadong maano yung Hi guys, good morning! Welcome 2026! Kabilis ng panahon, 2026 na agad. So ayan yung ganap kagabi. Hindi ko na-edit kasi anong oras ba? Alas 10 siguro kami. Alas 10 siguro kagabi nung sabi ko dito sa mga bata, tara na sa loob, matulog na kayo dahil nga si Asher ay may exam. So hanggang ganun lang yung celebration ng New Year namin kagabi guys. Kasi alam nyo naman may exam itong anak ko na taon talaga ng exam nila ay New Year 31/1 hanggang January 5. Kahit sa Sabado may pasok si Asher. Kasi after ng exam wala na silang pasok ng 10 days. So yun na yung pinaka winter vacation nila. So kahit na ganun lang yung celebration namin, masaya naman. Kasi itong hipag ni Asis na nandito sa likod, tinawag niya kagabi habang nag-CCS kami sa Popo, nakaupo kami sa Popo. Tinawag niya yan, kwentuhan kasama yung uncle nila na nasa Dubai, nagkukwentuhan sila. So, okay naman. simpleng celebration pero masaya naman. So, yun guys, Happy New Year ulit sa ating lahat. God bless us all everyone.